How to make passive income online. One of the best ways to earn passive income is to create a digital product. For example, you could make a dashboard in Google Data Studio, or an app that helps you track your health. The best part is that you can sell it on your own website. Creating a video can be a great way to generate some quick cash. You can even sell your videos to news sites. However, do not underestimate the time it takes to capture the best content. If you do not have the right equipment, you may need to hire someone. It's also possible to earn some passive income by selling your own templates. Benison made $16,000 in 2 months by hawking his templates. Blogging is a popular passive income source. Blogging can take a lot of time to get started, but it is a proven way to make money online. Many blog owners employ Google AdSense to help them monetize their blogs. Some blogs might even have affiliate programs. Another good way to earn a little extra cash is to find a product that you know people need, and build a website around it. Selling your own products can be a great way to generate revenue and gain control over your margins. To earn the best of both worlds, combine an e-commerce site with a wholesale marketplace. This allows you to buy products at a discounted price and sell them to your own audience. A great place to start is Etsy, a site that allows you to sell handmade and custom products. Creating an online course is another worthwhile passive income proposition. There are many places to sell your course, including your own website, Udemy, and Gumroad. An online course is a great way to demonstrate your knowledge and expertise. Creating a course also requires a substantial amount of effort. There are plenty of other passive income strategies, but choosing the best is the key to success. Consider your own resources, your interests, and your goals before you decide on the right strategy for you. Developing a passive income stream should be a rewarding experience that can help you achieve your financial dreams. One of the easiest ways to make passive income is by shopping on sites that offer cash back. While these websites cannot replace a full-time job, they are a great supplement to your current one. Also, be sure to shop around for your deals and avoid overspending. You should also consider investing in a startup. The company might not pay you a lot up front, but it can help you grow your business and make a decent passive income. Finally, you can make money online by posting sponsored content on social media. Companies will pay you to promote their business, and if you do a good job, you could reap the rewards. As with most things, the best way to do this is to find a niche market with a problem that you can solve. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. That's how new ideas are born. And I look forward to our next meeting.